Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install and download NeoForge in Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser, and then you just need to, if you don't have Java, download it to your computer. You just need to write Java download and download Java for Windows. And once you have it, once you install Java to your computer, we can proceed with other steps. So the first one, you need to go to the website that is called neoforge.net. Right, and then it will be a installer here. So what you need to do here, you just need to press and download the installer, and then you'll have the installer or setup on your desktop or on your downloads, right? And then what you need to do here next is to right click on it, open with, and select Java TM platform SC binary, right? And then we need to wait until you get this install client button. And also, if your Minecraft launcher now is not turned off, sometimes installation process will not work. And also, if you do not play Minecraft 1.21, also it cannot work. So what you need to do here is to select, for example, Java Edition installations, and then play the latest release and play for a couple of minutes, and then completely close Minecraft and Minecraft launcher, and then you can select install client and proceed, right? And NeoForge should be installed. And after installation is done, you should get successfully installed client profile, and you just need to press OK. Now the next step, open up Minecraft launcher, select your edition, then go to installations, make sure modded version is selected here, and then press new installation. Then you can give it a name, for example, test1. Then on version, select release NeoForge 2.21.4.11. And then here you can set up your resolution here, right? Here. And then you just need to click install. And Minecraft with NeoForge will launch after installation process is done here. And guys, if you're wondering how you can install mods, there is two websites that I use. So the first one is curseforge.com, and the second one is modrinth.com. So what you need to do here is to press discover mods, and then here you can sort it out by relevance, download count, and more. So for example, let's select this mod here. And on the bottom, you will see that it supports Fabric, NeoForge, and more. So you just need to select the mod. Then you need to just select download, select game version, and then select NeoForge, and then hit download. And then save it to desktop or whatever you like here, right? And if you want to look for mods in CurseForge, you just need to select Minecraft. Then you can browse also by relevancy, popularity, latest update, and more. And then you just need to select the mod here. Then you just need to select files, and then select a NeoForge file here, and then hit download, right? And save it to your computer. And once your mods is installed and downloaded, and if you want to install them, you just need to open up Minecraft game that we launched and that we set up. Then you just need to go to mods, then open mods folder. Then here we need to wait for a couple of seconds, and then you just need to drag and drop that particular mod to this folder. And keep in mind that if you have Forge mods, they will not work, right? And then open up game, and then these mods will be here, right? So maybe you need to restart the game, but after that you just need to launch the game, play the game, and the mods should work, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.